Okay, so let's give this a try. I think it's ready. I'm excited for it. I'm ready to eat this keto-friendly cake. Pretty good. I like the very coconutty flavor to it.
It's creamy, and you can't really tell that we didn't use sugar. What is your favorite part about this cake? For me, it's the almond cake part, or the crust part, that I love the most. Of course, with the mixture of the ice cream and the almond flour cake together, makes this cake really delicious and yummy, but the crust, I can just eat it by it.
So, I like the creamy coconut taste of it, the ice cream part of it, and the crust does kind of tie them together, so it's not overly sweet. It has like a crust / cake flavor to it, so I do like them that they tie really well together.
So yeah, that's our recipe. I hope you guys give this recipe a try and let us know how did you like it. Leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button next to it so that you can get notified every time we upload a new video. We do have a link to our blog as well in the description below, so if you want to know all the little details of this recipe, it will be all listed on the blog. So make sure to check that out, and don't forget to follow us on our Instagram page. We'll leave the link for that down below in the description box as well. So thank you for watching.
Thank you.